Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Oyuna Gelmek. So let's start. Oyuna Gelmek. Oyuna Gelmek. Oyuna Gelmek. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Oyuna Gelmek is to come to the game, while figuratively it means to be deceived, to be duped, to be had, to be tricked, or to get scabbed. This idiom is very similar to the English idiom to rise to the bait, which again means to be tricked. Let's see some examples now. Açık konuş. Ben oyuna gelmem. Speak openly. I wouldn't be duped. Açık konuş. Ben oyuna gelmem. Dikkatli ol. Oyuna gelme. Be careful. Don't get scabbed. Dikkatli ol. Oyuna gelme. Neden hep oyuna geliyorsun? Why do you always get scabbed? Neden hep oyuna geliyorsun? That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.